Spreads Day YouTube. So we're actually at a client's house doing a carpet cleaning on 3 bedrooms. She wanted us to do a carpet clean and a stain removal, pet stain removal. So right now we're in the master bedroom. So let's go ahead and close this window up right here. So it can be a little bit dark in here so you can see better. So we'll go ahead and get this room a little bit darker as much as possible, and then we'll go ahead and turn on the UV light. So all along this wall. And the worst part is right here at the entrance. So what we're gonna do for today is we're gonna do the carpet cleaning, we're gonna do an enzyme and a stain removal and get this cleared up for this client. So right now this is the master bedroom. And if we go this way, oh, looks like there was an accident on the floor right here too. We'll go ahead and just get that picked up for her. We won't charge her for it, just get that cleaned up. And now this is the second bedroom. Got a little bit going on right here by the main entrance of the door. There's a lot of little accidents in this room. But then we got some splatter right here up on the wall. Or on the door, I should say. This looks like it could have been feces that was picked up. Not quite sure how well you guys can see that on the camera, but hopefully it's coming out clear for you. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the last bedroom. Just a couple spots over there that are not organic. Then we have just a stain here. It looks like it could have been a water stain. A little trail of urine right there. And then the bulk of it. Not quite sure if this was closed. Yeah, this was closed. And you can see it was closed, and then it urinated. Fell right here. We're gonna do VLM today, very low moisture. So we wanted to be able to get this extracted. We're gonna do encapsulation, and then we want to have it dry as soon as possible because we want them to get right back into their home and enjoy their property. So yeah, let's get to it. First and foremost, let's get a vacuum going. So I'm not quite sure how well you guys can see this on camera, but there's urine splats on the mirror as well. So you want to be looking out for stuff like this, because if she's hiring us to get rid of the smell on the carpets, to clean the carpets, you don't only want to just do the carpets by itself. Because after the carpets are nice and clean, you still have this lingering smell, and come to find out that it's sitting right here on the mirrors as well. So we want to get this removed, as well as urine on the wall. So urine on the wall, that leads down to the floor. So these are little key things that you should be looking for while you're doing the carpet cleaning. Attention to detail, guys. If we're gonna do the work for the clients, give them your all. Let's get to it. so much dog hair that we were vacuuming up that it was actually plugging up the holes. So this is what we pulled out so far, and there's more still inside. So I'm not quite sure if the floor hasn't been vacuumed in a while or a good vacuum was placed on it. But this is why it's so important to vacuum the floors before you start putting product down. Look at this. Yeah, I was getting no suction from the vacuum anymore. I see why. It's really caked in there. Look at this. Yeah, I have to schedule to do a deep clean. This is a lot. Make sure you're not breathing this in. It's kind of just flying through the air. But yeah. Alright, let's hook it back up. Let's see what type of suction we get now. Because we had none coming out of the hose before. Let's see. Not bad. And now after all the floors have been vacuumed, we're gonna go ahead and put down some spotter. Now we have this area right underneath here. So let's put an application there. Back. There you go. Now that's staying. Has vanished. So we're gonna go ahead and do this to all of the spots that we find. So we're gonna go ahead and get that urine that we found on the mirrors removed. Like I said, we wanna avoid any of that smell lingering in the room.
You can definitely tell it's urine because it was sticking to it. And you can smell it when it's coming up.
So we're just trying to get this cleaned up as well. There's no point of cleaning this and leaving this behind because that odor will not go anywhere. So when the client comes back, we want the house to be refreshed. Nothing left behind. Looks good. troublesome area. All the urine was just piled up at this door in this little corridor. Really, really glad to see all of that came out. Now, like I said before, there's no guarantee what the pad underneath this carpet looks like or the foundation. You can never guarantee that. I don't care what anybody tells you, you cannot guarantee that it came out. You don't even know if you even got that low, so you can touch it. Well, from what we can see up here, the carpet looks good.
Alright, you guys, so we are almost finished. So this was the main room that's right by the entrance. This room is completely finished. It's drying right now, and it's also been groomed, so we can't step back into this room, but the smell, the odor, the spots, everything is gone. It came out looking really great. My partner is finishing up in the bedroom. Let's go ahead and spy on him real quick. I was just talking about you.
Oh yeah? So I'm just double checking on everything. The floor looks amazing. Like, this troublesome area.
And you're finished with this room, right? So I can go ahead and start grooming it?
Yeah, you can groom this room. I'm just double checking on the floor. All those stains are gone.
Honestly, just by standing here, I could see that looks so much more brighter.
Yeah.
But he's using the UV light to go over and make sure that all those pet stains are completely gone.
Well, that is going to be a wrap for our 3-bedroom carpet cleaning. We did the VLM method and it worked out perfectly fine. We think the client is going to be extremely happy with the results. All the bedrooms look excellent and we could not be more happy with it. If you're ever in need of service, give us a call at 480-222-8987. Spitshinehomes will get it done for you. Have a great day and thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye guys, see you on our next video.
Later.